Hello, today we will guide you through how to configure junk mail options in Outlook. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly where to find the controls that keep spam out of your inbox while making sure important messages still reach you. We'll move through Outlook's web interface step by step, and I'll explain what you're looking at so you can make confident choices once you arrive at the right page. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and heading to your inbox. You'll want to be on the main mail view where you can see your folders and messages. This is your starting point for accessing all the settings we'll use. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel gives you fast access to common options, but for junk mail controls, we need the full set of mail settings. Don't worry, everything is close by from here. In the Settings area, select Mail. This takes you to the dedicated Mail Settings section, where Outlook organizes options for reading, composing, rules, and, importantly, junk email. Moving into Mail ensures you're seeing the complete list rather than just the quick suggestions. Now choose Junk Email. This is the control center for how Outlook treats suspicious or unwanted messages. On this page, you'll typically see areas related to blocked senders and domains, safe senders and domains, and how links, pictures, and attachments from unknown senders are handled. Think of blocked senders as the Never Let This Through list, and safe senders as the Always Trust These list. Adding legitimate newsletters or colleagues to your safe list helps reduce false positives, while adding persistent spammers or domains to the blocked list reduces clutter. You may also see options that affect how strictly Outlook filters content, such as whether to trust email from your contacts or limit external content from unknown senders. Choosing a balanced approach usually works best. Keep your safe list focused on people and services you truly recognize, and be cautious about blocking entire domains unless you're sure they only send spam. It's also a good habit to check your junk email folder periodically, especially if you're expecting a new message or a verification email. That's it. To recap the path, Inbox, then Settings, select All Mail, and open Junk Email. From there, review the categories and adjust them to match how you want Outlook to treat unwanted mail. Changes are typically applied as you go, and you can return to this page anytime to fine-tune your preferences as your needs evolve.